Okay, letter C. Only looking at same bases. So we'll do x's in red. So I have x squared and x to the first. X squared is in the numerator and x to the first is in the bottom. Remember, if there's no exponent, just make it the first. So I have x squared minus 1. Moving on to my y's. I have y to the negative 1 on the numerator, so y to the negative 1, and then minus 4 in the denominator. And then the z's, I have z to the 4th, so I get z to the 4th, and then z to the negative 3 in the denominator, so minus negative 3. Now I need to simplify. So 2 minus 1 is 1, so I get x to the first. And then negative, so we go to our y's, and I get y, negative 1 minus 4 is negative 5. And then now I'm on my z's, so I get z, and then I see two negatives next to each other. When I see two negatives next to each other, it means positive. So there's no negatives left, and I get 4 plus 3, which is 7. Now I just need to move things to the bottom if they need to go to the bottom. I do see something that needs to go to the bottom. It's not the x. The x is going to stay on the top. So I get x to the first. The y to the negative 5 is going to go on the bottom, and the negative 5 is going to turn into a positive. And then my z to the 7th power is positive, so it goes on the top as well. All right, now it is your turn to try the try-its.